In front of me we've got HUAWEI Honor 8A, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, click on My Apps and Games. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to perform this operation, so let me connect with mine. And here it is. So once you are connected, just go to the updates. And here you've got all applications that can be updated. And you have two options here. So you can either update one particular application. It can be, for example, Facebook. Just click here and then you will be able to observe the progress. So at first, the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. So you can search the browser, play some game, call your friend, just do whatever you want to. And then if you open Play Store again, you'll be able to observe the progress. So just let Facebook install fully. And as you can see, once it's done, you will find it under recently updated. But also you can update all applications at once. To do it, just tap on update all right here. And then all of them will be updated. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can update apps in your Honor 8A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.